Uh, Class 9 Social Science Civics Chapter 1 Political Party. Last question today we have: write about the necessity of political parties in a democracy. What is the necessity of political party in a democracy? प्रजातंत्र में राजनीतिक दल का की आवश्यकता क्या है, क्यों है? तो वी कैन से democracy and political party election, these three things are needed in a democracy. By the definition of democracy, we come to know that democracy is the government of the people, for the people, by अब्राहम लिंकन. अब्राहम लिंकन ने कहा कि डेमोक्रेसी जो है लोगों का लोगों के लिए लोगों के द्वारा शासन है, लोगों का शासन है, लोगों के लिए शासन है, ऑफ द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल, बाय द पीपल, और लोगों के द्वारा शासन है. तो सारे लोग तो शासन में जा नहीं सकते ना, सब तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में हिस्सा नहीं ले सकते. देन इन मॉडर्न टाइम्स व्हेन इन एंशिएंट टाइम city states were there, and in those days direct democracy was there, but today we have representative democracy, and for representative democracy we need what we need political parties. Without political party democracy cannot succeed. We need political party. Political parties are important for democracy. Next, you see, when we analyze the function of political party in a democracy, we understand its importance in a better manner. Political party, you see, without political party democracy cannot exist. Political party creates a congenial atmosphere in the country for the participation of the people in the process of the formation of the government. Every citizen cannot become you see a ruler, but every citizen can play every you see citizen of a democratic country can play an important role in the formation of the government. सरकार में कोई पोस्ट मिले ना मिले, लेकिन सरकार बनाने में उसका योगदान होगा. दिस कॉन्जेनियल एटमॉस्फेयर एक ऐसा वातावरण क्रिएट करते हैं पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, जिससे लोग माने डेमोक्रेसी के गवर्नमेंट फॉर्मेशन, डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट फॉर्मेशन में हिस्सा ले सके. पहली बात. दूसरी बात, आम आदमी, कॉमन पीपल do not know the problems of the country. They do not know about the solution of those problems. Then political party give them political education. Political education means to show the problems of the country, the problem the country is facing and their solution. Then this way you see political party give political education to the people, and by this political education democracy becomes strong, and people you see become you see politically conscious. Then creation of political consciousness, and political education is given by the political party. And a common person cannot approach the government in case he needs some help. Then you see political party creates a link between the common people and the government. This is one function. Political party creates public opinion, a healthy public opinion in its favor, and tries to win the election and form the government. This is the main you see function of the political party, winning the you see uh, largest number of seat in the election and forming the government. This is the main function. Next, political party as an opposition also functions as a watchdog. It uh, it uh, keeps constant eye on the activities of the government and controls the government from being dictatorial. If the government goes become a dictator, the political party as an opposition controls the government. The you see the As an opposition, the political party is always ready to form the government if situation arises. Then democracy and political party uh, survive together. If we say democracy, we are saying political party and elections. Elections are there, and political party helps its people, uh, helps gives financial assistance to its candidate for fighting election. Political party provides political workers for the candidates for for election campaign and to win the election. These are the functions that are there in the democracy, and therefore we can say political party are necessary in a democracy. Without political party we cannot dream of democracy, and without democracy no political party, without political party no democracy. थैंक यू. हम समझते हैं आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा. क्लास 9 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ब्रॉड आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन है. आपको ये समझ में आएगा, आंसर दिया जा चुका है. थैंक यू.